Swagbucks duplicate points issues are usually solved by checking your account activity, confirming whether points were actually removed twice, and sending the right details to support if something does not match. By the end, you'll know how to check your Swagbucks points history, identify a real duplicate charge, and submit a support request with the information needed for review. Section 1 is checking your Swagbucks account history. Open the Swagbucks website or app and review your activity ledger. This section shows the points earned, redeemed, or adjusted on your account. Look for entries with the same activity name, date, or points amount. Matching entries do not always mean points were charged twice, so compare the full details before reporting the issue. Check whether the points balance changed incorrectly or if the same transaction is only appearing multiple times in your activity history. Take screenshots of any entries that look incorrect. Screenshots help you keep a record of what appeared in your account when the problem happened. Section 2 is checking the activity that caused the points change. Review the offer, survey, receipt, or activity connected to the points adjustment. Confirm whether the points were earned correctly and whether any reversal or adjustment was applied. Swagbucks points can change when account activity is updated. A missing or changed balance may be related to a transaction adjustment rather than a duplicate charge. Check the details of the original activity before contacting support. Include the activity name, date, and points amount so the issue can be reviewed faster. Make sure your Swagbucks account information is correct and that you are signed into the right account. Using a different login can make your points balance appear incorrect. Section 3 is contacting Swagbucks support. If your account history shows the same points adjustment happening twice, submit a support request with the transaction details. Include your Swagbucks username or account email, the activity involved, the date the points change, the points amount, and screenshots showing the duplicate entry. A complete support message gives the team the information needed to investigate the account activity. Avoid sending multiple requests for the same duplicate points issue. Keeping one support conversation organized makes it easier to track the problem. The key points are simple. Check your points ledger, confirm the duplicate activity, and provide clear evidence if support needs to review it. Your next step is to open Swagbucks, compare the points entries, and save screenshots before submitting a support request. If this guide helped you fix a Swagbucks duplicate points issue, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.